Built within the program of Cakewalk by Bandlab is the ability to have analog sound through the use of console emulation. If I go to my console view, you can see here that through the use of these console emulators on the channels as well as on my buses, I can get a good analog sound in a very subtle way that is yet pleasing to the ear. Let's have a listen to the mix before and after console emulation is enabled. As of now, it's disabled. When you see these go yellow, like this, and like this, then you'll know that they have been enabled. You'll be able to hear audibly the difference. Okay, let's take a listen to the mix before and after.
But it's alright. Gliding, drowning out the darkness with our light. None of it matters, no, none of it matters by our side. Take this reality, leave it behind. Close your eyes. We could be anywhere, any way that we want. We could be anything under the sun. Little by little, let our mistakes fall out of sight, out of mind. 'Cause right here, we're creating perfect. Right here, look beneath the surface. Right here, and I know we deserve this. Don't you worry, don't you worry, my dear. And I know that you're hurting with each tear, but I know that it's worth it. No fear, we'll do this together. Don't you worry,
Okay, so I'm sure that you were able to hear with your ear just how much of a variation of sound that the console emulation actually gives. There's a little bit more saturation, there's a little bit more depth it feels, and also it just sounds overall just a little fatter. Now, to better explain the console emulator plugin instance, you'll notice there are 3 different types of console emulations: the S type, the N type, and the A type. The S type is the most subtle of all of the console emulations. The A type is the most aggressive of the console emulations, and the N type is somewhere in between, or neutral. So if you can remember that the S is subtle, the N is neutral, and the A is aggressive, then you'll be well on your way to utilizing these plugins to the best of their ability. The mix that was presented in today's presentation was a song called Right Here. It was part of a mixing contest from Warren Hewitt's website, Produce Like a Pro. If you would like the opportunity to mix songs like this and many more, different genres, and be able to add them to your portfolio, then go and join Produce Like a Pro Academy. Link will be included in the bottom as well. If this video has been helpful in any way, make sure to hit that subscribe, and also click that bell icon so that every time I upload another video, you'll be the first to know.